Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 1 of May. It's actually April 30th here. This is why I'm a little confused. But welcome. This is your first day of the month. Come hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, join us on Discord, show us your code, read some code. Let's do all this month together. We have a long streak coming up. You'll see how long it is, and we'll probably do it all month because we have a long streak going. Alright, today's problem is backspace string compare. So given two string, return true if they equal to both are typed. Okay, so it's just about getting the string, converting this string into an output string, and then seeing if they equal. So that's pretty much the idea, right? So maybe we have something like a parse s, yeah. And then we could use a stack to keep track of the backspace. Yeah, if C is equal to backspace, then stack that pop. What happens if it's in the beginning? Okay, I'll be continue. Actually, they tell you there are only 2 lines of explanation, and that's one of them. So yeah. Okay, so yeah. Link. A stack is greater than 0, then we pop, make sure your else is in the right place, append by C, and then at the end just return and then we can do return parse of S is equal to parse of T. That's pretty much it, Frank. Yeah, this is going to be this is relatively a fundamental stack problem, so definitely get to know it, get to be familiar with, get to be good at it, because they'll come up, or these, not this particular one, but oh man, wow, I really did not pay attention, did I mean, this looks good, so why did I get it wrong? Huh. Did I mess something up? That's weird. Wow, that is embarrassing. I mean, that's clearly false, but why did I get that wrong? Dun dun dun. Huh? That's funky. Alright, let's point it out. But yeah, I totally lost track of what I was going to say, but there should be linear time, linear space due to the stack, and for each one. Huh? Oh, wow. What a typo. And somehow that typo seems to be, I mean, that's just a silly typo, but that worked for all 3 test cases, and I didn't bother testing it for a little bit better. But wow, that is very silly. Okay, well, this is what happens when you try to rush it too much and you're too confident, and such an wow. Okay, I mean, I mean that's life sometimes. Is that actually that's one of the things that you always used to say is that this is life, and that sometimes you get quote unquote lucky. And one of the things that you have to look for in these kind of problems, and maybe I even explained it in the previous video, is that when you have a true false answer, keep in mind that you can easily get lucky in the way that you give the correct cases for the example, but still have a wrong answer in the ultimate. And in this case, all it does is compare the last characters the same in my code, and we have a 761 day streak going. Thanks for joining us. And if this is your first time watching this video, wow, this is embarrassing. The fun thing is, but yeah. So we look at each character once, so this is going to be linear time, and stack, we push everything in the stack once, and here, so at first it's going to be linear space. So this is linear time, linear space. Yeah, this is the 1st of May. This is a little bit embarrassing, and the yikes, kind of rush it too much. So this is why during the contest, I sometimes for easy problems I do slow down just to make sure I get it you know, okay. But still, let me know what you think. This is an easy one to start. Yeah, I'm so out of my flow now that I got a silly mistake on the easy one. But it tells you that anyone can do it. Anyone can be a little bit overconfident, and this is why you have an exhaustive test suite that I did not do because I've been too confident this time. But definitely, you know, yeah. And one thing that I always like to say, you know, when I go, we'll be doing this all month. So yes, that's all I have for now. And one thing that I wanted to bring up though, if you're still here, is usually I do this in the beginning, but I just took a nap and I forgot. But it's to celebrate your victories when you can, and that's one of the things that I push people to do on my Discord, just celebrate victories. And I'm just going to do a quick celebration here because earlier, this was like 5 hours ago or something like that, maybe 8 hours ago, finished top 10, yay! That's just my minor celebration thing. So yeah, so maybe it ties into it in a way, right? If someone who's finished 9th earlier today, though I did have a wrong answer like everyone, a lot of people on the top. If I could do it, if I even make this mistake, don't be so hard on yourself, but try to see if there are any lessons that you can learn to kind of make sure yourself better. And this is also why I'm a big fan of testing in general, right? Because if I had one more test, one better test instead of these silly tests, maybe I would have gotten it. But yikes. Anyway, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later and take care. Hope you have a good rest of the week and hope you join. Hope you join us for the rest of May and have a great May. See ya.